So you have a PS5 controller and you have issues pairing or connecting directly to your PS5. I'm going to give you several solutions to get you up and running right now. So you can see currently this one does not work. So first thing we want to do is grab the charging cable from your PS5, make sure it's plugged in. And I'm going to plug this into my DualSense Edge controller here. We're going to plug this in. And as soon as you plug that in, you should be able to tap on that PS button and it should start working, okay? But hey, mine's still not working. So next possible step is we're gonna go ahead and reset this controller, okay? So if you look on the back of the controller, there's a little tiny hole back here. So get yourself like a it's steam ejection tool, like one of these little things here, or you can get yourself like a paper clip, like a thin paper clip. This will work as well, okay? So go ahead and leave it plugged in. Find that little hole, and what I'm going to do is just put the needle in here and just press and hold. I'm just going to keep holding until I see something on the TV, okay? If nothing pops on the TV, then just wait. Wait 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, nothing comes on the TV, just go ahead and let go. All right, now you can see we got the orange here now, okay? So it's still not going to work here. So now next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the PS5 off now, okay? So that bottom button here, I'm going to press and hold, the power button, I'm going to press and hold here. I'm going to hold, and now it says preparing to turn off your PS5. So now I'm just going to wait for the PS5 to turn off. So now it's off, okay? It's still plugged in here. Now let me see if I can turn it on from the PS button here. Oops, something's turning on here. Okay. And voila, we are now connected. Now here's the thing. If you guys are still not able to connect, then do everything over and try a different cable, okay? The first time I tried to do this, I couldn't get it connected because my other cable did not work until I used this cable here, okay? Good luck, guys.